February 2015, 2021. We're out of power since 2:15 a.m. freezing to death. It's minus, I'm not sure. Some places it's minus 60 degrees. Yes, it's freaking incredible. Most of the United States is without power. All of Texas is without power. Now they're doing rotations, which they're not. I've had no power since 2:15 a.m. And it's almost 3 o'clock now in the afternoon. So I missed Valentine's Day, thank God. An evil holiday. I'm trying to get some wood, but as you can tell, the leg had also burned off my barbecue grill. I'm glad I got that firewood. I got that big log to put on there and make some hamburgers. Gotta use my freezer stuff up. Of course, I can always put it in the snow. Over there, it's about up to my knees. My friend ended up going, I gotta get a pot holder, going in a drift, in the snow drift, and it took him 4 hours to dig himself out. Dewey's freezing to death over there and hurt his leg. Yeah, I guess God just don't want me to smoke. I am so serious. I have never had so many cigarettes put out in my life. Anyway, we got every cover in the house to sleep with. I gotta get a pot holder. I am dying for a cup of coffee, and it's took me all day to get it. But ooh, this hand, it looks warm. It won't go over my glove though, so, oh well. I will just use the other one. Yeah, I got a mess kit. Don't worry, I got a mess kit. I'm ready. I've been ready. I knew it was coming a long time ago. Yeah, I'm getting this nice and hot, and I'm going to go in there and make some hamburger patties. But heck, this spilt. Looks like I'll have a half a cup of coffee to start with. I don't know. I just opened this. Anyway. Don't have to worry about Dewey going out. He does not like it. Woo, I'm glad I didn't mop. Oh, man, I tell you. I tried to get the, yeah, it's only going to be a half a cup. No, we're going to go get more than that. Yeah, we are. Yes, we are going to go get more than that. Is it still hot? Nah. That's not going to be enough. I do not like drinking Cokes in the morning when I first wake up. But that's okay. Yeah, we'll have a hot cup of water here in just a minute. Yeah, I got my tool bucket. I never got my lights put up. But my fishing one does work. I do have my trespassing things. I like that wagon wheel I found when I was looking for Dewey. I told the cops, hey, I don't know whose land I was on, but that thing was in a scrap pile that looked like trash. I took it. If someone gets mad, I'll give it back. They say, just keep it. I turned the doghouse over, trying to see if something's in it. You know, my goodness, I've got to cut this stuff down. And that stuff's still live, so it will come back this summer. But it's weird shit. You got to see these. When I go inside, I'm going to show you what hit me in the head. It was shards, not icicles, but shards. Big, rectangular, squared off, with junk in them, just like the junk in my house and everywhere, frozen in them before it started sleeting. about 12 o'clock, and now about 9 o'clock, we got little birds all out here hunting for something to eat. Hey, there's my kindling right there. I don't need it. I just started that fire by hand. That looks good. That looks good. The water's looking hot. It's looking hot. That's all. Looks like I'm going to need more wood. Well, anyway, I just wanted to give y'all an idea of what's going on in Texas. No power anywhere, and they're not even taking calls to let you know for critical, and I'm critical care. So you can't even tell anyone that your power's out. And from now on, for the rest of the year, they're going to be turning your power off every 15 minutes. And you're only going to get to have it on for 15 minutes. So you better be quick. Dang, Jason, it's like Safe P all over again. Really sucks, you know? Cold showers, cold this. Remember, did you ever do that in the winter? Because I was there in the winter and the summer. And it really sucked. Standing in line for an hour to take a tempered shower for 5 minutes, and then you can't put a towel on your head and march back in props in the snow and rain and sleet all the way back to your bunk, your unit, only to oh man, it was terrible. Anyway, it fixed me. I can't believe you lost your program. Anyway, I love you. I love y'all too. I love you, YouTube. Anyway, gotta go. Gotta put some more wood on the fire. Ain't taking me away. No, I don't need your help. Heck no. I need y'all's help. Bye. But not their help. You know what I'm talking about.